Hey there, science explorers! Welcome back to Science Snap, where we break down big science ideas into bite-sized, brain-boosting chunks. I'm your host, Sen the Science Explorer, and today, we're getting a little, lumpy. Yep, we're talking about milk curdling, and how it's a tasty example of protein denaturation. You may have seen it in your kitchen, or maybe in your cereal bowl gone wrong. And as always, we're doing it POE style. Predict, observe, explain. Alright, imagine this. You're reheating some milk on the stove, and then you squeeze in a bit of lemon juice or vinegar. Suddenly, it clumps. It curdles. Total kitchen chaos. Here's your predict moment. How do you think the milk turns lumpy? Is it spoiled? Is something growing in it? Or is it a chemical reaction? Take a moment. What's your best guess? Let's move to what we actually see. Time to observe. When you add something acidic like lemon juice or vinegar to milk, especially when it's warm, it quickly separates into two parts. First, curds. They are thick, white, solid lumps. And second, whey, a watery, yellowish liquid. This reaction looks dramatic. And it's not just gross. It's actually science action. So, what's happening inside the milk? Let's break it down. Here's the scoop. It all comes down to protein structure. Milk contains a protein called casein. These proteins are usually suspended in milk, like little floating balloons, stabilized by a negative charge that keeps them from sticking to each other. But when you add acid, like lemon juice or vinegar, the pH drops. That changes the environment, and those negative charges disappear. Without their repelling charges, the casein proteins clump together. That's denaturation. The acid disrupts the bonds holding the protein's shape, and they unfold and stick together. What you're left with is curds and whey. This same process is used to make cheese. So yeah, curdling is basically the start of a grilled cheese sandwich, which is my personal favorite. So let's have a quick recap. What protein is found in milk? What causes milk to curdle? And is curdling a physical or chemical change? If you said casein, acid, and chemical change, then you nailed it. So next time your milk curdles, don't panic. Appreciate the awesome protein science at play. Whether it's cooking, cleaning, or curling your hair, protein denaturation is happening more than you think. Thanks for joining me on Science Snap. Got a weird science moment when you want us to unpack with the POE method? Send it in. Until next time, this is Sen the Science Explorer. Stay curious and keep your brain bubbling. Till next time, everybody.